Hello everyone, today we want to find a nice integral. Let's solve it. If we have integral of x squared over square root of 9 minus x squared dx, we want to find this integral. So before we solve this, we know that if you have a square root of x a squared minus x squared, it's better to write x as a times sine theta. So if I use this point, I know that the 9 is 3 squared, so I can write x as 3 times sine theta. And if I graph a triangle, the sine theta is equal x over 3, right? So x is this side and 3 is this side, and downside is equal a square root of 9 minus x squared. And so if I want to find the cosine theta, that's equal a square root of 9 minus x squared over 3. So, and if I take the differential on the both side, in the left side I can write dx, and the right side I can write 3 times cosine theta times d theta. So let's continue. For our integral that we have x squared and x was equal 3 times sine theta. So the x squared is equal 9 times sine theta squared times dx was equal 3 times cosine theta times d theta. So I put it here over square root of 9 minus x squared, and that's equal 3 times cosine theta. And if I cancel cosine theta and cosine theta, 3 and 3, the integral is equal 9 times the integral of sine theta squared d theta. And now here we have a nice point that said if you have cosine 2 theta, that's equal 1 minus 2 times sine theta squared. So if I use this point, I can write this integral as 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2 times d theta. And for continue, this is 1 over 2 in this integral, so I can write our integral as 9 over 2 times the integral of 1 minus cosine 2 theta times d theta. And you know that the integral of 1 d theta is equal theta, and the integral of cosine theta is equal 1 over 2 times sine 2 theta, and we have negative we have negative here, and I put negative here, plus c. And for theta, that we used it in here, so that we can write x over 3 is equal sine theta, and we wanted to find theta, and that's equal the sine inverse of x over 3. Let's find sine 2 theta, and you know that the sine 2 theta is equal 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. Sine theta was equal x over 3, right? That we have here. And you know that the cosine theta is equal square root of 9 minus x squared over 3 that I put in this equation. So we find the sine 2 theta. And now for the final answer, that's equal 9 over 2 times the sine inverse of x over 3 minus x over 9 times the square root of 9 minus x squared. Yes, plus c, that's okay. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day.